Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our IP class. In the previous class, we started the concept of bar graph. That means we can represent our data by using bar graph like our bar chart. That means it uses rectangular bars to show the large values or small values. These bars can be horizontal or vertical. So by using bar graph, it is easy to compare data between different groups. Bar graph represents categories on one axis and values in the other. In the previous case, in line chart also like that we have worked. The goal bar graph is to show the relationship between the two axes. That means in x-axis there will be some persons or some criteria, and based on a value will be in the y-axis. We can plot bar graph. We can use this program for simple bar graph. In this, some persons Anil Vikas Dharma, like that, some persons are marked in x-axis and their percentage or value 94, 85, 45. These are marked in y-axis by using bar chart. So this is the percentage of marks achieved by student in class 12. So Anil got 94 percentage, Vikas got 85, Dharma 45, and so on. So first we have to import matplotlib.py plot as PLT. In line chart also we have done this to access default modules. Then we have to import an numpy as NP. Then we have to give a label like in line chart. The same is used in line chart also, because here year is used. In the next case, we are using the term label. That is the difference. Same type. That means label equal to the label in the x-axis. Anil, Vikas, Dharma, Mahen, Manish, Rajesh, etc. And their percentage of marks is labeled as the variable name using PER. That means Anil's 94, Vikas 85, Dharma 45, and so on. Then index equal to np dot arrange of length of label. Np is the numpy. Arrange is a function. Length of the label means the length of this array. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to 6 labels we have to arrange. 6 labels are there. We have to arrange that. Then plt dot bar is a function. Plt for plotting. Dot bar, because we have to plot bar chart. So we will use the term bar. Index comma per. Index means these values, these index are marked along with PER. PER is the percentage of values, percentage of these marks. So index is the label count is marked by index. Then plt.x label equal to student name. So here the output is student name. Plt.y label equal to percentage. We can give font size according to our wish. Here font size is 5. Then plt.x ticks of index comma label comma font size equal to 5, rotation equal to 30. That means this label, that means Anil, Vikas, Dharma, we have to mark this. So font size is 5, rotation 30 means in an angle of 30 degree. That means slight deviation, not straight line. The label is denoted here some deviation to represent easily, or otherwise it will be complicated to identify each label. So this angle, this value is represented by an angle of 30. That means it is rotated to 30. Then PLT dot title. What is the purpose of title? This is percentage of marks achieved by students class 12. Then PLT dot show is used to show the bar chart. So what first 3 lines are in the same as line plot. These 3 lines are same. Then this line also we are giving percentage. Then we are arranging by using length of label. That means here there are 6 elements are there, so 6 values are arranged. Then we will use plt dot bar function. Bar is a function. It is used to This bar is used to plot bar chart. That means like this, a rectangular box is plotted. Then PER is the value. That means for Anil 94. This is Anil. His value is 94. We can specify the width also. In this default width is specified. Then for Vikas it is 85. This is Vikas. It is 85 like that. So then we are marking x-axis, y-axis in the same as line chart. Then some customization tools are used. What are the customization tools used? Customization means to give color or to give font size we can use. So plt.bar is the method to plot a bar chart. Then index comma per color equal to green, edge color equal to blue. In this, that notation is not used. That means we can give the bar chart color is green, but the edge color as blue. A custom line style means we can give any type of line style, like in the previous cases, dotted lines, slashed lines, then solid lines. According to that, we can give line style. Plt dot bar index per color equal to green. That means bar color is green. Edge color equal to blue means this bar's edge color is blue. Then line width equal to 4 and line style equal to dash. So a dashed line is formed. According to our wish, we can change. Default in this method, bar chart is plotted. We can customize according to our wish. Then custom line width means we can give the width of the line as 4 according to our wish. Then title means the title of the bar chart. That means at the top of the bar chart there will be title. Then label means we can give X label or Y label. Label is the spelling for label. It is wrong. X label is student name. Y label is percentage. So like that we can give. Ligand means upper right or frame. Where this frame is fit, that means upper right, lower right, and so on. So these are the methods used in bar chart. Next is histogram. In Matplotlib, we can draw the histogram also. Histogram is a graphical representation. By using histogram, we can organize a group of data points according to our range. That means user specified ranges. Histogram also a visual interpretation of numerical data like in the bar chart itself, but when we are referring bar chart there will be space between each bar. Let's look that. This is the bar chart. Each bar there will be a gap, but in histogram this gap will not appear, like it will coincide. So that is the histogram. By using histogram we can plot data according to our specified range of values. It is similar to a vertical bar graph but without gaps between the bar. How can we draw histogram in Python? In the same way as first 4 lines are same in the previous cases like bar chart and line chart. That means import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Plt is the variable name. Then we can give the data 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, etc. These are the data. Then plt.hist is the function to draw 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Then bins equal to 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are the values up to 60. Weights equal to 20, 10, 45, 33, 6, 8. These are the values. So first is what is this? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Then these bins are represented at the x-axis. 0, 10, 20, 30, like that. Weights, that means weights equal to 20, 10, 45, 33, 6, 8. These are the values which we represented in y-axis. That means first value is 20, second is 10, then third is 45, fourth is 33, fifth is 6. So these are the weights and these are the bins. Bins means the x-axis. Then this is the weight. This is known as weight. This value is known as weight. Then edge color equal to red means our bar chart's edge color is red. Then PLT dot show, that plot is shown or that histogram is shown. Then what is the purpose of this data? 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. That means from this is the 0th position. From first one, this bar is started. So this width is 10. So from 1 to 11. Then from 11 to 21. The next bar is from 21 to 31. Next is from 41 to 51 and so on. So first argument of hist method is position. That means xy coordinate of weight, where weight is to be displayed. Number of coordinates must match with the number of weight, otherwise error will generate. Second argument is interval. Third argument is weight for bars. Weight means value of bar. Second argument is the intervals means 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. The first argument 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. The first argument is the xy coordinate. X, y coordinate of weight is represented by using this histogram. Histogram in Python. Here another program, import numpy as np, import matplot library as plt. Data is 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Then plot.hist 5, 15, 25, 35. Bins are the values in the x-axis 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. Weights are the values in the y-axis 20, 10, 45, 33, 6, 8. This 5, 15, 25, 35 are the x, y arguments. At interval bin 40 to 50, no bar because we have not mentioned position from 40 to 50 in the first argument list. That means from 40 to 50 there are no bars because this is the first arguments. In these arguments we have to mention that positions. In these arguments we didn't mention 40 to 50, so no arguments. So based on this first arguments, this spacing will occur. That means if we are not specifying in the first arguments, that space will be blank. Here from 40 to 50, in this case 40 to 50 there are no values. We are not mentioning 40 and 50 in the first arguments. If we are mentioning this value only, that value will appear in the histogram. Here also that happens. Here we are mentioning all the values. That's why continuous bars are created. Otherwise a space is created. So first value is for number of coordinates. That means this must match with these values. Otherwise an empty bar is created. That means no bar is created. So here from 40 to 50 there are no values, so no bars are created. So this is an example for histogram program. We can continue in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.